Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial you will learn how to add Payoneer to your Fiverr account. So the way you do that is by first going over to the Fiverr website and then make sure you click on switch to selling. And once you have done that, what you want to do is click on this My Business tab and it will show a drop down. So what you want to do is click on the earnings tab and it will take you to this new page where you will see a lot of things, but what you want to focus on is this manage payout methods link. So you will have to click on this and then you will see a new screen where you will have to click on this add payout method. Once you click on that, you will see this pop-up that asks you to verify, which you can either do by letting Fiverr call you or by a SMS. So I'll pick this SMS option and then wait for a code. It should arrive in a few seconds or minutes, but yeah, like for me it did and I have the code, so I'll just enter it. 4097 is my code, and then I'll click on submit. And once you've done that, you'll see that it says verified, and now you can add the actual payment method. So I'll click on this add payment method button and now you will see a new pop-up which will basically provide you with 3 or more options. For me, I have PayPal, Payoneer and bank transfer. So I'll click on Payoneer. You'll click on this radio button. It's probably going to be PayPal or it could be something else for you, but for me it was selected on PayPal. I'll just select Payoneer, and then what you want to do is make sure to set the currency. For me, I'll just set it as US dollars, and then what you want to do is click on continue. And once you've done that, you will actually receive a link on your email, so you'll have to click on that. So I have received the link in my email and you will see a screen like this, or like a message like this actually. So what you want to do is click on continue, and once you do that, it's going to redirect you to a new page. If you see something like this, just click on continue to site because it is safe, because it's Fiverr. So don't worry about this, just click on that and you will be presented with this screen. And once you are in this screen, make sure to actually just select your account. Like if you don't have a Payoneer account, you have to sign up using this form, but if you already have a Payoneer account, just click on this click here link, and once you do that, you will see this screen popping up. So just enter your email or username and enter your password and then click on sign in. Once you have clicked on sign in, it will redirect you into this page and then you basically have it. Now it's done, so you don't have to do anything else. You'll actually see this info that you have successfully submitted your Payoneer application. You'll get an email as soon as it's approved, so you just have to wait for a while for Fiverr to verify everything and then approve it. So once it's done, it should be good and you should see Payoneer as your payout method actually. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everybody.